Hello, colleagues. My name is Ricardo Viana. Today, the domains. So I have domain financials, I have domain sales, domain procurements, domain logistics, the key value mappings. I have the domain financials, domain logistics, domain procurement, domain sales. Is the same for SAP CPI. In SAP CPI, if I go here to the design, I have the packages, and the packages also contains the domains. Domains financials R2R. It means all iFlows related with financials R2R independently of the technology. If it's a SOAP, REST, OData, CSV, plain text, SFTP, doesn't matter. Must come inside this flow, inside this package. The same for the other domain, the same for the other domain. But the names, you can make a granulation, you can add region, you can add division. All the details are in the specification. Yes, I'm using ABNF to create this grammar. And this again is for free. Also, and now after all this explanation, I'm going to trigger a message for 4 proxies from 39 different endpoints to 39 iFlows. So I'm going to open a session here. Then we are going to see together. Okay, he start to run. It's 4 calls in parallel for all these proxies. You see the number of interfaces growing, the artifact is growing CPI without any error. There is no chance to get the error. Yes, you see 78 calls, no errors 2 times each endpoint, 0 errors, 0. Let's see this one, 0, 0 error, 0. Because the DDCR is a deterministic routing mechanism. If the key is wrong, he's going to reject the connection. Inside the code, the JavaScript code, you have 3 levels of the security. That is the fast fail to M2M. Yes, it takes around 0.2 milliseconds to process this. So if the URL is not correct, fast fail. If the keys do not exist, fast fail. Any other scenario with wildcard or whatever that can be a hacking mechanism, fast fail. 403 unauthorized directly. So this is the idea behind. Also, I recommend you to access the site, the domainintend.com, where you can see, where you can have access to the resume of all the specifications in the more easy way, let's say. Yes, the most important for me, and because of that, I'm going to repeat, I create this for SAP community to help the SAP colleagues to avoid the Frankenstein landscape. Yes, when you use the DDCR and when you use the SDIA, you solve this problem. So enjoy the site. Inside you have the name generator that I'm still working. There is some parts that's not working very well, but you will see that it's very simple. Yes, oh, I want to create a URL for API management, so I choose the business, I choose sales, I choose O2C, I choose contracts, I choose approval, and the back end is S4HANA. So he's going to generate and he's going to ask you what is the ID of the iFlow. Let's see, that is number 10. And the adapter is SOAP, but also he supports all the others adapters, okay? Kafka, etc. Then that's it. He creates for you the address, the semantic address, the proxy path, the key for key value mapping, and the mode of the adapter. Nothing special.